Welcome to the Real Crime Diary, daily dose of crime. What happens when a plea deal in one of the most significant criminal cases in American history suddenly unravels? Today, we're diving into a shocking development that's sending shockwaves through the legal world and reopening old wounds for countless Americans. The trial of the alleged 9/11 mastermind, Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, has taken an unexpected turn that could change everything. Buckle up, crime enthusiasts, as we unpack this twist in the ongoing saga of justice for the September 11th attacks. In a stunning turn of events, the trial of Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, the alleged mastermind behind the 9/11 attacks, has taken an unexpected twist. A recent plea deal, which seemed to offer some closure to this long-running case, has now been thrown into complete chaos. The U.S. government, in a surprising move, is attempting to cancel the agreement they had reached with Mohammed. However, their efforts might be thwarted by a hidden clause within the deal itself. This clause, if enforced, could potentially prevent prosecutors from seeking the death penalty against Mohammed, regardless of how the case unfolds from this point forward. This development has sent shockwaves through the legal community and raised serious questions about the future of one of the most significant terrorism cases in American history. The implications of this hidden clause could dramatically alter the course of justice for the victims and families affected by the 9/11 attacks. Now, let's delve into the heart of this legal drama, the so-called poison pill clause. Hidden within the pages of Khalid Sheikh Mohammed's plea agreement is a provision that's sending shockwaves through the justice system. This clause stipulates that if the government backs out of the deal, and the defendants haven't broken their end of the bargain, any future trial would automatically remove the death penalty as an option. This revelation has thrown a massive wrench into the proceedings. It's like a ticking time bomb in the middle of an already complex case. The implications are staggering. If this clause holds up, it could fundamentally alter the course of one of the most significant terrorism trials in U.S. history. The very existence of this provision has injected a new level of uncertainty into a case that's already been dragging on for years. It's a twist that no one saw coming, leaving prosecutors, defense attorneys, and even the judge scrambling to understand its full impact. Now, let's dive into the Pentagon's dilemma in this high-stakes legal battle. Defense Secretary Lloyd J. Austin III made a bold move by attempting to cancel the plea deal with Khalid Sheikh Mohammed. Austin cited the immense significance of the decision to enter into such an agreement as his reason for intervention. But here's where it gets interesting. Defense lawyers are pushing back hard. They argue that Austin's attempt to withdraw from the agreement came too late. According to them, the deal was already set in stone when it was initially reached. This leaves the judge, Colonel Matthew N. McCall, in a precarious position. He now faces a crucial decision that could dramatically shape the future of this high-profile case. The question at hand: is the plea deal still valid, or can the government proceed with its original plan for a death penalty trial? The implications of this decision are far-reaching, potentially setting a precedent for how similar cases are handled in the future. It's a classic clash between executive authority and legal procedure, with justice for the 9/11 victims hanging in the balance. These recent developments have sent shockwaves through the 9/11 victims' families, creating a deep divide on how justice should be served. Some family members are adamant that only the death penalty can bring closure to this horrific chapter in American history. They fear that invoking the clause and proceeding with a non-capital trial would only prolong their suffering, denying them the finality they've been seeking for over 2 decades. On the other hand, there are those who view the plea deals as a pragmatic solution to what has become an endless legal saga. Stephen Gerhardt, whose brother Ralph perished in the World Trade Center attack, expressed a nuanced perspective. While believing the death penalty is warranted, he's wary of a forever trial that could drag on indefinitely. For him and others, the plea deals represent a chance to finally close this painful chapter and move forward. This split opinion among the victims' families adds another layer of complexity to an already intricate case, highlighting the personal and emotional stakes that lie beneath the legal proceedings. As we've seen today, the 9/11 trial saga continues to twist and turn, raising profound questions about the nature of justice in terrorism cases. This unexpected development with the plea deal's poison pill clause has thrown the entire process into uncertainty. It forces us to confront difficult questions. How do we balance the desire for swift justice with the complexities of such a high-profile case? Is the death penalty the right approach for crimes of this magnitude, or does life imprisonment serve justice equally well? Moreover, this case highlights the intricate dance between national security concerns and the transparency our justice system demands. As we've explored, the victims' families are divided, with some seeking closure through capital punishment, while others simply want the process to end. What are your thoughts on this latest development? Do you think the government should honor the original plea deal, or push for a trial with the death penalty still on the table? How do we ensure justice is served while respecting the rule of law? These are the kinds of complex issues we grapple with daily in the world of true crime. If you found this deep dive intriguing, be sure to subscribe to The Real Crime Diary for more insights into the most pressing criminal justice issues of our time. Until next time, stay vigilant and keep questioning.